In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What did Abbas ibn Firnas attempt to invent? Glider. What field did Al-Khwarizmi pioneer? Algebra. What instrument did Muslims invent for navigation? Astrolabe. Who is known as the father of modern surgery? Zahrawi. What did Muslims develop for eye operations? Sarinja. What did Ibn al-Haytham pioneer? Optics. What did Muslims invent to preserve paper texts? Binding. What did Al-Kindi experiment with? Perfume. What did Al-Jazari automate? Machines. What did Al-Zahrawi use for stitching wounds? Catgut. What surgical method did Islamic doctors develop? Cauterization. What type of library was first made public by Muslims? Public library. What did Muslims use for anesthesia? Opium. What system of numbering spread through Islam? Arabic. What was the House of Wisdom in Baghdad? Library. What animal did Muslims use for delivering messages? Pigeon. Which oral hygiene tool was promoted by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Miswak. What early financial tool did Muslims invent that acted like a check? Sock. Which energizing drink was first brewed by Muslims in Yemen? Coffee. What public facility did Muslims develop for cleanliness and community? Hammam. Which Gothic cathedral feature came from Muslims? Pointed arch. What device did Muslims use to raise water for irrigation? Saqiya. What system did Muslims use to power fountains and machines? Water. What cleaning product did Muslims make using olive oil and lye? Soap.
Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Jazakallahu khairan.